Hello guys, welcome to a new video from the channel. This time we check how to fix YouTube restrict mode turned on by network administrator. So let's start. It's very easy to do it. So first let's go to the right side. In the top right corner we have three dots, just click there, and then it has the option for Google Chrome. Then let's scroll down and let's go to settings. Here on settings, let's go to the left side and let's go to privacy and security. Here on privacy and security, just go to the part that says security. Here on security, just scroll down and you can see it says use secure DNS. If this is turned off, just turn on it, okay? And here on select DNS provider, just click here and just go to public Google public DNS, okay? And that's it. So then just go back and you can right now reload YouTube and you will find that this fix your problem. So guys, I hope this works for you. Thank you for watching this video. Remember to subscribe and give thumbs up to this video.